Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora and today we are doing lash try on, and particularly the ones from Shop Miss A. If you never heard about Shop Miss A website, it's a website where everything there is super affordable. Majority of makeup, nail, hair accessories, and a lot of stuff are under $2. Recently they launched a pro line, and specifically pro lashes. What they claim with the new lashes, that they are professional quality, high-end quality at an affordable price. Now the price point is a little higher than normally they have listed their lashes. Their lashes are under $2. These ones are about $5 each. They have 21 styles. 20 if you want to buy them in bulk. They do have that available, and I think they come down to like $3 something a pair, to which is honestly still very affordable. Even at $5, it's still very affordable if they are what they say they are. If they are, you know, the professional, like the high-end kind of lashes. I am intrigued. Of course, I got all 21, so definitely I'm going to try all 21 styles today, guys. So grab your coffee, a drink, wine, whatever you feel suitable, maybe a snack, and let's get into it. Now the way I'm gonna do it is I'm going to try the lashes on one eye, and on my left eye I'm going to have just mascara, so you kind of can, you know, see the difference between with them on and off, if it makes any difference. Honestly, lashes always makes a huge difference, even those that look like natural ones. So yeah, without rambling too much, guys, let's get into it. Oh my god, first pair and a spot on. Absolutely love these. That's a perfect length and volume. Oh, I'm so obsessed. Now, I didn't think I would like these ones, but oh my god, they're so gorgeous. And they're not too long, not too short. They're definitely a little bit of in a dramatic part of it, but they're not like too much. I personally absolutely love these. I think these ones are spot on. I didn't think I would like it when I saw it in the box, but on the eyes they actually look really nice. I absolutely love them. These ones are more of like a cat eye. Gorgeous pair. They're definitely a little bit shorter than Thea, but they are absolutely gorgeous. So if you feel uncomfortable wearing long lashes, I think these ones you're gonna love. They definitely feel and look luxurious. I love them. Now these ones are definitely super like fluffy, and I don't know if you can tell, but they look kind of natural. They are definitely on a longer side, however not too dramatic. They're definitely very wearable. In my opinion, I would totally wear these like on a everyday and no makeup kind of look. I think it will give you a little extra oomph. Now, oh hello drama mama, I've arrived. These ones are definitely that extra va boom, I'm right in your face kind of lashes. Super dramatic. For smoky eyes there would be so beautiful. However, they're definitely not everybody's cup of tea. But I wouldn't wear these kind of lashes on, let's say, no makeup kind of look, but with a dramatic liner, with like colorful Insta kind of look, these would look so good. I personally love them. You know, I love dramatic lashes. That's kind of how I roll sometimes. I personally enjoy it, but you know, here we go. All right, guys, the next style is Themis. They are definitely very long, however, they're very wisp and kind of natural looking, even though they're super long. So yeah, they're under the category like I am long, but still wispy and cute. And I would totally wear it on my no makeup kind of look day for sure. Next pair is Rhea. Definitely this one is from the category like we are long and wispy, but yet still not too dramatic. And this is how it looks like. If you like long but wispy, kind of long but natural kind of lashes, these are definitely going to make your day. Next pair is Thalia. Now these ones are in a shorter category, so if you like them a little more natural, not too long, these are gonna be a perfect cat eye kind of style. They are still very voluminous, but they are not as long, so they're definitely not going to touch your eyebrows, if you know what I mean. So these are absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely going to be ordering quite a few pairs of this style for sure. Next style is Harmonia. This one is definitely very, very long and wispy, and look at that curve. They are very like they have that. They're definitely very, very long, and I'll definitely trim them a little bit in the inner corner to fit my eyes a little better and for them not to get into my eyes. I didn't glue them today, you guys, so I'm just putting them on for you to have an idea how they look like in the eyes. Other than that, they are absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, every single pair that I've tried so far, I am super amazed, and they definitely feel and look luxurious, like high-end brand, and they're only $5. I am shook. Next pair is Electra, and oh my god. All right, guys, these ones are my absolute favorite. When I was working at Dillard's, we had a lash line called, I think it was Star Lash, Lash Star, something like that. I don't remember. They were like on a higher end, about $30. And this one reminds me of the number 10 from their collection. It's like absolute dupe. If you know which one I'm talking about, they are like, oh, yes. Oh my god, totally stocking up on these ones if they're not sold out yet. These were my favorite out of favorite. Number 5 and number 10 were my go-to when I was working at Dillard's and doing makeup. So, oh my goodness, I'm definitely stocking up on these ones. Next pair is Iris, I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, these ones are probably the most natural and probably the shortest I have tried so far. For those of you babes that are looking for something every day and you have like a smaller eye or smaller lid space, I think these are gonna be so gorgeous. As you can tell, there is a difference on wearing even the simplest eyelashes compared to no lashes at all. These actually remind me of the Star Lash, Lash Star or Star Lash, I don't remember how the brand is called. Again, from Dillard's, that when we were selling lashes, those were like literally $30 a piece. These ones are remind me of the number 1, if you're familiar with the brand. Absolutely gorgeous, very fine, classy for everyday look. Beautiful. Next pair is in style Side Belly. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I'm definitely going to be inserting the names below while I'm saying it. Wow, these ones are definitely that extra take me to the moon and back, long, dramatic, very cute doll-like lashes. Holy guacamole, they're long and they're voluminous. Like they are, wow, they're really pretty. But of course, it's not everybody's cup of tea. But yeah, if you're looking for like Insta style kind of lashes that would be like, holy wow, these probably are gonna be the ones that you're looking for. Again, very gorgeous. I didn't glue it all the way in the inner corner because it would have bothered me, but also I wanted to show you like the entire style, how it looks like in the eye, on the eye, in case you are looking for something like that and you can wear them all the way in the inner corner. I personally can't. So what I would do, again, I would trim a little bit in the outer corner and kind of move it around to make it fit my eye a lot better. But I mean, these are definitely those va-va-voom screaming out loud, I'm in your face kind of lashes for sure. Still very gorgeous though. Next pair has a very interesting name. Either it's Achilles or Achilles. Oh my goodness, I don't think I can pronounce that one, but These are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Take a look at that texture. I am so impressed with the quality of these, all of these lashes, you guys. They are definitely very dramatic and cat-like. They have like coming from here to here, they're a little more dramatic and a little more sparse in the inner corner. Absolutely gorgeous. I am really in love with these ones as well. I don't know, I feel like 80% of the lashes that I tried so far, I'm like, oh my god, they do look and feel like high-end lashes. I'm not gonna lie, I am super impressed. I am definitely speechless. Next pair is Hera. Definitely a wispy kind of 3D mink lashes. Absolutely gorgeous. They are short on each side and long in the middle, so these ones are going to open up your eyes a little more, so are gonna create that almond eye shape, which actually goes really well with the makeup look that I have right now on. Absolutely, I didn't think I would like them. Honestly, I didn't think I would like them, but once I put it on, I love them. They look really, really well with this makeup look. Definitely complements it. It doesn't look too much. It's just, I love it. Next pair is in style Aphrodite. Absolutely gorgeous pair. Love, love, love it. Now this one has the same length from one end to another. So it's just that. I don't know if you can hear my Frenchie is snoring in the back right next to me, so hopefully microphone doesn't pick up much of it. But back to the lashes, I think these are absolutely gorgeous. I think they will be pretty for any occasion. They look very classy. I absolutely love this style. Next style is Urania. These ones are definitely very wispy and fluffy. I absolutely love the style, you guys. It's, even though they're long and dramatic, but still they look so nicely on the eyes. They're absolutely gorgeous. These ones are in the style Gaia. They look long, but honestly, once I put them on, they actually look very, very nice, very flattering. I don't think they're that long. I love them. Wow. Like for a makeup look like I have today, they are actually a perfect shape, perfect style of the lashes that I would put on. Love it. Next style is called Hebe. Now these ones would be very gorgeous on like a bridal, a very like sophisticated, kind of a natural-ish makeup look. They're very, very soft, very, very gentle. They're so, so pretty. I absolutely love them. I guess next style is, I don't know if it's called EOS or EOS, but they are definitely very, very gorgeous, you guys. Absolutely beautiful style. Like on the eyes, they look even better than on the package, honestly. They are not too dramatic, not too like natural. They are somewhere in between. They're gonna be looking really good with like a makeup style like I have today, or even a little more dramatic. I think these are gonna be perfect for that. But they are gorgeous. I am so in love with all these pairs. Oh my god, I can't get enough of it. The next style is Chimera. It's definitely more of like a very subtle cat eye kind of style. Definitely very fluffy, you guys. A very like 3D, 5D kind of situation. They do come extra long, so if I would be wearing it a full day, I would probably trim it a little bit in the inner corner, simply because normally that would bother me throughout the day, but I wanted to put them on, you guys, without trimming them, so you kind of get a feel of them to see how long they are in case you can wear them this long. So I didn't glue them on completely, so I won't poke myself in the eye, but yeah, they are absolutely stunning. Honestly, I absolutely love them. So gorgeous. I think they would be good as for like a more of like a makeup look like I have today, or even something more dramatic. I think they're gonna be perfect for any occasion, honestly. Yeah. I keep looking at myself in the monitor because I enjoy them so much. And the next style is Artemis. Absolutely gorgeous cat eye, like shorter in the inner corner and longer on the outer corner. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Take a look at this. So beautiful. I'm obsessed with this style. Seriously, can we just admire how beautiful these are? Such a beautiful pair, beautiful cat eye, kind of like a short in the inner corner and longer on the outer corner. Not too long, at least I don't think it's too long. It's like a perfect length for any occasion, honestly. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Let me know in the comments which style was your favorite and what product should I try next. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!